Let me pour it back the other way. This is not right. Where'd it go? We're here at Faraday Studios again. Can you believe that? So we're going to do something. This is one of the old wizard tricks. And back, about 200, 180 years, people didn't trust that science thing. Oh, what is this science? I don't know about that. They're doing some weird stuff there. But you can sure mess with somebody's head with this. This is a head messer.
A head messer.
This is a head messer right here. I've got these things right here.
Looks like water.
Yeah, I got water. And there's water. And I got a squirt bottle full of water. They call this a wash bottle.
Wash bottle.
Because you can kind of wash things, squirt, or squirt your wits, And you notice these 4 tubes that I've got here.
Graduated cylinders.
Graduated cylinders. They went to high school and graduated, right?
No.
Is that what it means?
No.
Why do they call it graduated?
Because it's got like measurements on the side.
Yeah, those are called graduations. And what size is this? How many milliliters does this thing hold?
100 milliliters.
100 milliliters. And what is it? Read the numbers. What are the numbers here?
60, 70, 80, 90,
And about each one of those is 10, right?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. That's 50, right? 50, 50. So when you dump this one into there, what's going to... Should point out where 100 is on this one.
Right there.
Right there. The man's pouring the liquid. Hey, there it is. Come on, smack dab. Let's hear it smack dab right there. Oh, he did. It's on there, isn't it?
Yep.
It's not at 101 or 99. It's right on there, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay. He thinks he's pretty good. Well, I'm going to show you a little trick. Would you check their measurement?
50-50.
Now, I'm going to take this bell. You've heard of resonance and echo and all that stuff, right? Get some sound waves in there, right? Mm-hmm. Like an echo. But just because we can't hear it dies down, it doesn't still mean they're still moving, just because our ears can't pick it up. There might be a lot of things going on in there, right? I'll pour that in there real quick.
It's not 100. It's 98.
What is it?
98.
And there's 50 and 50, right? What is it?
98.
Let me pour it back the other way. I don't know about this. Something's going on wrong here. This is not right. Where'd it go?
Oh, now it's all the way down to 97.
I'll ask you, where'd it go? We're losing about 5%, 4%. Where did it go? Because I saw it. There was 50 and 50. And then I did a bell sound wave. What do you think that bell had to do with anything?
It disturbed whatever was in there and...
What do you think? What would the bell have to do with it? You want the answer?
Yes, please.
Nothing. That's a prank. That bell didn't do anything.
Oh.
Kind of suckered you. I had suckered there. The people watching, they were going, see, the bell rang and made the molecules vibrate. Yeah, nothing. I just did that for effect. Oh, there was water on the table, right? But I also have...
Methanol.
Methyl alcohol, wood alcohol. Now, it looked like water, didn't it? 2 of them had water in both of them, and over on this pair, one was water and one was methyl alcohol. Yeah, okay, something's going on, but well, let's see, let's put it this way. Can you dissolve a solid in a liquid? Have you ever seen that?
Yes.
So give me an example. Solid.
Sugar and water.
Sugar and water. Have you ever noticed you dump a lot of sugar in or something like that? It seems like the sugar disappears, kind of, sort of. And the water might not go up that much. So where's that sugar going? The sugar molecules are in there, right? They're in between the water molecules. Have you ever dissolved a gas in a liquid?
Isn't that how you carbonate water?
Yeah. The carbon dioxide molecules are in between the water molecules, right? So do you think it'd be possible to dissolve a liquid in another liquid?
I mean, if you can dissolve a solid and a gas into a liquid, I mean, you probably could do it.
Probably dissolve a liquid in a liquid. Where did the extra 6 go?
In between the water molecules or the methanol molecules?
Methanol molecules, some of them are in between the water molecules. Some dissolution there. That's interesting, was the fact that you were picturing something in your head to solve this mystery. Let's say goodbye to these people.
Bye-bye.
If you want some more of this action, we're so glad when you come by with us. Have you noticed that when you look through the camera, see how beautiful those people are? They're beautiful people, and they're smart too. And you have good taste, I must say. They do, don't they?
Oh yeah, great taste.
And I hope you're thinking like a scientist.